Hello.
Hi there.
How are you today?
I am a bit nervous.
Why are you nervous?
It is my first flight.
Don't worry, I can help.
Thank you so much.
Where is your passport?
It is in my bag.
Good. Keep it safe.
Is this the right line?
Yes, this is for check-in.
The line is very long.
Yes, it is a busy day.
What time is it now?
It is 10 o'clock.
When is your flight?
My flight is at noon.
My flight is at noon too.
Where are you going?
I am going to London.
Me too. That is great.
Are you from London?
No, I'm a tourist.
I'm a student there.
That is very exciting.
Look, the line is moving.
Finally, we are next.
What do I say?
Just say hello.
Okay, I can do that.
Show your ticket too.
Is it on my phone?
Yes, or on paper.
I have it on my phone.
That is perfect.
Do I have a big suitcase?
Yes, you have one.
Is it too heavy?
It looks okay to me.
I hope so.
Put it on the scale.
The lady is smiling.
That is a good sign.
She wants my passport.
Give it to her now.
Here is my passport.
Now she is checking it.
She is printing a paper.
That is your boarding pass.
What do I do with it?
You need it for the gate.
Where is the gate?
Look at the paper.
It says Gate B12.
We need to go upstairs.
Is there a security check?
Yes, there is.
Is it difficult?
No, just follow the rules.
Take off your shoes?
Maybe, just watch others.
Put my bag in the bin?
Yes, put everything inside.
Even my phone?
Yes, even your phone.
I am ready now.
Let's walk to security.
There are many people.
Take a plastic bin.
Okay, I have one.
Put your jacket in it.
My jacket is inside.
Now walk through the gate.
Did it beep?
No, you're fine.
I have my bag back.
Great. Let's find the gate.
Is it far away?
It is a 5-minute walk.
I see a coffee shop.
Do you want coffee?
Yes, I am very thirsty.
Let's buy 2 coffees.
I want a black coffee.
I want a tea.
Look at the big window.
I see the airplanes.
They are very big.
That is our plane.
It is blue and white.
It looks very fast.
I'm getting excited.
Me too. Let's sit down.
Here are 2 seats.
The gate is not open.
We have 40 minutes.
That is plenty of time.
Can I use the Wi-Fi?
Yes, it is free here.
I will call my mom.
Tell her you are safe.
She is always worried.
Moms are like that.
The call is finished.
What did she say?
She said, have fun.
That is nice.
Look, people are standing up.
They're starting to board.
Is it our turn?
Not yet. We're Group C.
Group A is going now.
Group B is next.
Now it's Group C.
Let's get our bags.
I have my boarding pass.
I have mine too.
We are walking down the hall.
It is a bit cold here.
I see the pilot.
He is wearing a hat.
He looks very professional.
We are at the door.
Hello, says the flight attendant.
Say hello back.
Where is seat 15A?
It is near the window.
I love the window seat.
I am in 15B.
We're sitting together.
That is lucky.
Put your bag above.
The bin is full.
Try the next one.
Okay, it fits now.
Sit down and buckle up.
How do I do this?
Push the metal part in.
Oh, I see it now.
Pull the strap to tighten.
Like this?
Yes, just like that.
The plane is moving.
We are on the runway.
It is very loud.
We are going fast.
Look, we are flying.
The cars look like toys.
The clouds are beautiful.
I am not nervous now.
I told you.
Traveling is fun.
Where do we land?
We land at Heathrow.
That is a big airport.
Do we need a taxi?
No, let's take the train.
The train is faster.
I'm hungry now.
They have snacks here.
I want some cookies.
I want some juice.
The flight is short.
Only 2 hours.
That is very quick.
I can read my book.
I will take a nap.
Wake me up later.
Okay, I will.
Are you awake now?
Yes, I am awake.
We are landing soon.
Put your seat up.
Close your tray table.
I can see the city.
It is very green.
We are on the ground.
That was a smooth landing.
Welcome to London.
Thank you for the help.
You are very welcome.
Let's get our suitcases.
Follow the baggage signs.
I see the belt.
Which one is ours?
Number 5, I think.
There is my red bag.
And there's my black bag.
We have everything.
Let's go to the exit.
Do you have your passport?
Yes, it is in my hand.
Go to the all passports line.
The officer is looking at me.
Just smile and be calm.
He stamped my passport.
Great, you are in England.
This is so cool.
Where is the train station?
Follow the yellow signs.
I see the underground sign.
That is the subway.
Let's buy a ticket.
Use the machine over there.
It is very easy to use.
I have my ticket.
I have mine too.
The train is coming.
Step inside the doors.
Hold the handle.
It is a fast train.
Next stop is Central London.
We are almost there.
I am so happy.
Me too, my friend.
Thank you again.
No problem at all.
Look at the buildings.
They are very old.
This is a beautiful city.
Let's find your school.
It is near the park.
I have a map.
Is it this way?
Yes, turn left here.
I see the sign.
We arrived safely.
Have a nice trip.
You too. Good luck.
Goodbye, my friend.
Goodbye. See ya.
Wait, my umbrella.
Here it is.
Thank you, I forgot.
It rains a lot here.
I know, I am ready.
Take care now.
You take care too.
See you later.
Yes, see you later.
London is great.
Yes, it really is.
Enjoy your classes.
I will study hard.
You are a good student.
I want to learn English.
You speak very well.
Thank you, I try.
Practice every day.
I will practice a lot.
That is the secret.
Okay, I must go.
Have a wonderful day.
You too. Bye.
Bye-bye.